breakfast, I got the Lightning McQueen set. So it has whatever that is, some fries, and iced tea. Let's dig in. So good. Strawberry popcorn. I'm gonna get some.
What did you get?
I got strawberry popcorn.
It smells so good.
Let's see. Oh, it smells like Fruity Pebbles cereal.
It kind of does.
Alright, let's give it a taste
see.
test.
Is it good?
It's good.
Not dry bees.
Yeah. So we are at Zambini's and I got whatever this is, some soup, a dessert, and grapefruit juice. So let's try it. Oh, I love soup. I feel better already. Lasagna or something?
It's like minestrone.
Let's try this thing. So this is what we're having for breakfast. I have, oh my god, Mickey shaped burger. So nice. We have Mickey shaped nuggets, some fries, and dumplings. Oh my god, that's so cute. I'm so excited to try this. So good. So now we're gonna try the dumplings. Alright, let's go. Oh my god, it's so cute! It's pink! It's like a strawberry dumpling. Oh my god, this is so good. Can you see? It's so good. Here we have a light breakfast, sausage, pesto, chicken, egg, and curry. Oh wow. Very curry. Oh my god, so good. Nice. This is so good.
Now this.
So we have here melon bread.
Ashley finally got her melon bread.
Shaped like Mike Wazowski.
Mike Wazowski?
Yeah, it is. We have a meat pie and a strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla custard cake thing.
Ew. I would like the chocolate part.
All right, let's try.
Good. Good.
There's nothing there, but there's cream.
Well, maybe you should take a bite out of this, so you get the chocolate and the white part and the cream that would be in the middle.
I can't chew that fast.
Is it good?
I can barely taste it. It tastes very chocolatey.
Oh, okay.
But the melon is more stronger flavor. This one is like a weak chocolate. Still good though. Alright, next ear.
No. Is it different in each ear?
I think so.
Oh.
Strawberry!
Oh, nice.
Oh, meat pie, right? That's good.
What's in it?
I don't know, but whatever meat this is good meat.
That's what she said.
For dinner tonight, we have a chicken on a bun shaped like Mickey gloves, some fries, soda, and soup. So let's try this. It's so good. Very greasy. Tastes very greasy.